Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and we've learned a few things. Actually, Paul Tarot had a extensive discussion on this, and Zach Bowen, of course, that has a lot of inside scoops of Microsoft, and all of that together kind of paints a picture as to 23H2 and what we're having and the reasons for what we thought was 23H2 coming with the features. But then again, we also had heard that 23H2 is an enablement package, which is a package that doesn't deliver anything except a small change, like Windows 10 had done to move from Windows 10 21H2 to 22H2. Now, the scoop that apparently comes out is Microsoft is pushing Moment 4, not 23H2, because it updates differently. And what I mean by that, a moment actually is forced on you. So tomorrow, the 26th, Moment 4 will appear with the bug fixing update. And as you all know, the optional updates are optional only until we get to the Patch Tuesday updates. And when the Patch Tuesday updates, well, the optional updates get installed as the same time as the Patch Tuesday security updates if you haven't done so. So you get the drift that what Microsoft is actually doing mostly is actually forcing Copilot on everybody. And this is a trick that's happening now. And that is the reason why, it's Moment 4. Because if it be 23H2, what happens with the annual feature updates? You can wait. And 23H2, you will technically only install it in a year from now if you have to. Which means Copilot would not come until you decide to upgrade. So it's a sneaky way that Microsoft has of basically pushing stuff on you. And this is where Microsoft is. They want to do what they want. So Copilot is AI. It's what the future of Windows is for them, and that they want it to everyone. Incredible when you think about it that they do it in this sneaky way of, let's do a Moment 4 with features. That'll be forced on you on Patch Tuesday. Everybody will have them in their PC. And what is a possibility is that actually 23H2 will be pushed tomorrow also, but it will be sleeping in your computer. Yep, it's going to be there. And at some time, at some date, a little switch is going to turn on, and hey, you got 23H2. So that wouldn't be also impossible that it's there, but just sleeping under the hood on your PC. So this is incredible when you think about it. And of course, you might have seen the new, what I find much more like an ad type settings app. Now, you should probably, when all of that is there, have the Home tab. As you see here on the right side, the Home tab now gives me all the information about my, cloud storage and stuff. And it kind of puts all of this in one big panel at the beginning. And so it's one new tab. Instead of starting at System up to Windows Update, Home tab is going to be something also new for most people once this is all updated. So, sneaky Microsoft doing it its own way so that we are sure to have Copilot everywhere before moving to 23H2, which of course that is optional. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.